Hey friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's day 9 today of the pen shading series of a girl dancing, and you can see I have already started shading the waving portion of the dress. And जिनको इस सीरीज के बारे में नहीं पता उनके लिए मैंने प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक दे दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, एंड आप देख सकते हो शेडिंग कितना अच्छा हो रहा है. सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखना एंड ভালো করে অবজার্ভ করে তারপর নিজেরাও ট্রাই করো. You have to do the shading with layering method from lighter to darker tones, and take your time, have patience while shading with pen, because pen shading is really very tough because pen lines are permanent and you cannot blend unlike pencil shading. So be careful while shading with pen. For those who are absolutely new to this video and my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss any new video. And don't forget to like and share the video. Comment your questions, I'll certainly try to answer them. And please do subscribe my shorts channel also. Well, you can see how I'm creating realism and depth using the same 5 rupee ball pen only. You can also do the same by changing the pressure on the paper, and for reference image you can check out the description box. And मुझे Instagram and Facebook पे follow करना मत भूलना. I'm loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.